Hello and welcome to Trade and Invest, your go-to source for all things related to business and investment. In this video, we'll be discussing investing in the Netherlands. The Netherlands is a small but prosperous country located in Western Europe. It is known for its stable economy, innovative industries, and strategic location. Investing in the Netherlands can offer a plethora of opportunities for businesses of all sizes. However, before you invest in the Netherlands, it's crucial to understand the different investment options available. The Netherlands offers various investment opportunities, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and venture capital. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in the world and offers investors access to many multinational companies, including Philips, Unilever, and ING. Bonds are also a popular investment option in the Netherlands. The Dutch government offers bonds, which are considered safe and secure investments. These bonds provide a fixed income and have a low risk of default. Real estate is another popular investment option in the Netherlands. The housing market in the Netherlands has been steadily growing over the past few years, making it an attractive option for investors. The rental market in the Netherlands is also very robust, making it a profitable investment option for those looking for a stable income stream. Venture capital is another option for investors looking to invest in the Netherlands. The Dutch government has various programs to support startups and entrepreneurs, making it an ideal location for venture capitalists. In addition to these investment options, the Netherlands also offers various tax benefits for investors. For example, the country has a favorable tax climate for holding companies and provides various incentives for research and development. At Trade and Invest, we offer a membership program that gives you access to expert consultants who can provide you with customized solutions for your investment needs. Our consultants have years of experience in various industries and can guide you through the legal, financial, and regulatory requirements of investing in the Netherlands. So, if you're looking to invest in the Netherlands, join our membership program at www.tradeandinvest.group and subscribe to our Trade and Invest channel for expert advice and insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.